Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to make digital stickers to sell on Etsy. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. From here, click on Create a Design. After that, select Whiteboard. Once you're here, click on Canva Assistant on the right. Then, search Stickers. You can put in details and search whatever design you want. From here, you will get to see a lot of options to choose from. Just scroll through and select whichever you like. As you can see here, I have a lot of options to choose from, so I'll just click on one. Now you can adjust it however you want. Just click and drag to make it bigger. Now click on Canva Assistant again. From here, click on Show More below Sticker Actions. Just go through the options and see if you want to use any of it. Once it's done, open another tab and then search Etsy. After that, click on the first link as shown here. Once you're here, click on the store icon on the top right. Now you can select your language as you want and then select your shop country. Lastly, select your currency. After that, click on Save and Continue. Now, put in a name for your shop. Once it's done, click on Save and Continue. Now, on Create a Listing, you can click on Add a Photo and select the picture you want to put. Then, if you scroll down, you will get to see the option to add videos as well. After that, scroll down again and put in all your product details, like title, category, renewal options, description, type, etc. And once it's done, just click on Save and Continue on the bottom right. After that, just go on with the next steps. Set it all up and you'll be ready to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.